Hi guys, welcome to JP Street and Performance. I'm Whitney. Last time we did an oil change and we did some brakes. This time we're gonna do some spark plugs on my CLA250 Mercedes. So enjoy. Okay, so first we've got to remove the engine cover, and it has 4 clips. You're just going to pull straight up firmly to remove it. All right, next up we got to remove this intake pipe. It has 2 clamps right here, so we're going to use a screwdriver to Okay, so we're also going to remove these little metal clips so we can easily slide the intake tube underneath it. And then we're also going to remove all of these hoses and sensors from the intake as well. Okay, so you're going to want to squeeze really hard to pull this off, but be also gentle at the same time so you don't break the plastic because it can be brittle. So you're just going to squeeze and pull off. And then we're going to grab some of these pliers and we're going to remove these clips as well. All right, so we got these 2 removed right here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this hose, and then we should be able to remove the intake. All right, so you want to remove this side first. So you want to pop it out, and then you're going to pop upwards to kind of remove it from that plug down there. And then we're going to shimmy it through gently this way underneath. All right, so we've got our 4 coil packs right here, and this is a T30 torque spit, and you're gonna put it in each one. I'm gonna remove 2 on each one. All right, so for these ones, they're not straight down, they're actually a little more to the side, so you're gonna wanna pull back, then up to remove it, and voila. All right, we're going to remove our 4 spark plugs using a 14mm spark plug socket. Okay, so here are the old ones and here are the new spark plugs, and the part number is 90654, and we're going to go ahead and get them back in. Okay, so once you get your spark plugs in and torqued, then you want to get some dielectric grease, and you're just going to put a little bit right in the boot. Just like that. Okay, so you're gonna take your boot and you're gonna tuck it back in. Okay guys, now we're ready to put the intake tube back on, so we're gonna sneak it under here. Try not to hurt anything. And then we're gonna loop it around and sneak it back down. Okay, so we've got all of our hoses connected and our electrical all connected. So we're gonna go ahead and put our cover on and we're done. All right, that concludes the spark plug change on the 2019 CLA250 Mercedes. Thanks for watching.